Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on Asus ROG Phone 6. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Next is to find app called NotifyBuddy. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, grant it three permissions to the app. First one is phone permission, simply allow it. Next is overlay permission. Here you want to find NotifyBuddy and allow display over the other apps. Next is notification permission and do the same thing. Last right here is battery optimization and it's optional, so you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move on to the next steps. And right here you'll be able to start using this app. So there's 4 tabs: user, system, active and settings. In the user you can choose any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. So here let's pick Minecraft. In system you can find all system bound apps. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, color, whatever you want, but some of the settings are locked behind the premium version of this app. So now let's click on this test button and that way we'll see this LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.